How to delete Messenger account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. I'm here again with a simple and quick easy tutorial on how you can delete Messenger account. Make sure that you watch till the end so that you don't make any mistakes. Now let's get started. Firstly, open your Messenger account and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now click on the three lines in the top left corner. Again, click on the gear shift icon in order to open your account settings. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option of See More in Account Center. Just click on it. Once you appear on Account Center, click on Personal Details. Here in the Personal Details, you can see the option of Account Ownership and Control as the last option. Just click on it. Again, select the option of Deactivation or Deletion. Now tap on your account and click on Delete Account option and press on Continue. Before leaving, you can also add a reason on why you are deleting your account, or you can also skip this step by clicking on Continue. Again, click on Continue. If you want to download your Facebook information, you can download it from here, or if you don't want to download any of the Facebook information, just click on Continue. Now enter your password in order to continue this process. After entering your password, just click on Continue. Finally, click on Delete Account and your account will be scheduled for deletion. In case you change your mind, there will be time period of 30 days. You can simply log in into your account during that time period and retrieve it. However, if you don't, your account will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So that's it for the video. I hope you understood this tutorial. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.